Deepseek R1 is making sensation in internet and people are trying to explore it to make money online. And I have been doing the same and I have explored one of the unique opportunity with which you can easily earn $1,000 per month. I have been starting to use it. I'm already earning around it and I will be using this method as well. So I'll be sharing my journey with you. What I'm trying to do, I will share it and you can do it easily. So it's for beginners, it's not for experienced people. You don't know me much but I'm still earning money. I don't have that much of a follower or subscribers in my YouTube, but I'll show you the proofs, but I'm still earning money. So without wasting the time, let's jump onto the screen and you can see this tool SEOwriting.ai. In this tool I have already earned $473 and I have a total unpaid of 76 plus 72 this month, so it makes us $621. This is easy money. I'm not doing much, only 23 customers, 30% recurring commission. This is a kind of a salary I will be generating each month. Now I want to make this earning double, or I want to earn more than $1,000 per month as my passive income. How can I do it using Deepseek? That is what I am trying to find out today. So what I will be doing is I'll go to Deepseek directly. So what I will be doing is I will be using a unique social media platform which people are not using that much, and I can see a lot of potential around it. The platform name is Thread. You can see in Thread there are a lot of people publishing content. However, it's not that much of a mature platform or people have not been using it. It's mostly TikTok or Instagram that is in trends. People are less using it. Thread, so it's a great opportunity to grow your audience here, and it's a great opportunity for people like me who are a beginner to start exploring it and making it money online. Account opening with Thread is very easy. If you have Instagram account, you can directly connect it, or you can use Google to create your sign up account. What I have done is, since I am an SEO, that sort of an industry, AI, all those things, so I created my profile. And if you see my profile, no followers for me. If you see, I have 23 followers only. But what I did is I put an internal link, I put a backlink of my website deepavaliseotips.com. You can easily edit your profile. You can put any link, so you can put any affiliate links, you can put your website link. It's a good platform to have a backlink. Now what I have to do to make money online using this is something I'm trying to explore, and what I did, I used Deepseek. So I went to Deepseek. I've just written a prompt saying I want to promote SEO writing AI tool in Thread. What should be my strategy? Now Deepseek is giving a result in a different way as compared to ChatGPT, and you will see it is saying that okay, promoting a tool like SEOwriting.ai in a thread requires a strategic approach to ensure you engage the audience, provide value, and avoid coming across as spammy. Okay, so it understands that you don't have to come as a spammy. Understand the audience. I need to understand. So I already know my audience. Who are they? I will start building that content. Provide value first. So it's about value. That is what I'm trying to do with my website, with my all my videos as well. And then introduce SEO writing not naturally. That is good. Okay, that everyone knows, everyone talks about. That is fine. What I did, I asked, can you create a 7-day schedule of post I need to put in Thread so that they are engaging and relevant audience can connect along with click to action around it, say every 2 days. Now it did a thinking. That is what a deep think button is all about. So if you click on this button, if it is blue, that means it is thinking. You can also use it as a search engine. It did a lot of thinking. See, my single 2-line prompt, it did a lot of thinking, and now my schedule is created. I have the schedule now. Introduce the problem and tease the solution. So it's like pitching into the minds of SEOs, like how to write an SEO optimized content that ranks between keyword research, meta tag, reliability. What is the biggest pain point? Now you can put some images around it as well for your actual website. So I'm not saying just copy paste it. You have to use some of your mind as well. You can either put a prompt in Deepseek saying, can you give me some ideas around how can I make that post engaging? Okay, so the goal, it is saying soft CTA, let me know to gauge interest. Now what does it mean, let me know? That it will make the post engaging. If there are more comments, more likes, more engagement, then my thread account will grow automatically. That is my day one. I've said in every 2 days, so I'm not putting a lot of content around it, so it's not only for this tool. I'll be using it for other tools as well. So I'm not using this thread for to only promote this tool. I will be using it for normal work as well. That is why I have given it every 2 day schedule. Day 3, then it will give some tips. By that time you might be having a website, you can show your search console, so that you will build an authority. So please make sure you have to build an authority as well. It's not just copying and pasting it, but this is how that approach can be defined. Then we have to do a case study. In my previous videos, if you see my YouTube channel, I have provided a lot of case studies around this tool, and this tool is really good and you can use it as well. And then it gives a 7-day free trial, so it has a search engine as well, so it knows what is a free trial. It will give an opportunity to the users with a foremost kind of a goal, where it will create a fear. So that's the strategy you will see every time when you try to promote, when you try to see any tools online. Now this is what an strategy looks like. So let's see how it will work in my case. So I will use this as a post. Okay, so what I need to do is I just need to copy it, click on new post, and then what's new, you need to just paste it. Struggling to write SEO optimized content that rank between keyword research meta, and then you can put an image, and then you have to just post it. It's very simple. You can add AI label if it is created through AI, you can schedule it, and you can see then the engagement. Okay, how much engaging that post looks like. And that is how it is simple. So you're just copying it, you're just pasting it, using a bit of a brain. Put 1 hour of a strategy session within yourself, write it down, think around it, and then this method will definitely work. I hope this unique opportunity is useful to you all, and I hope you liked this video. And if you have any questions, do comment in the comment sections. I will see you in the next video. Bye.